Hello everyone and welcome. In our today's session, I'm going to talk about generating customized barcodes using MS Excel. And this is a topic that one of my friends happened to ask about it. He runs a business and the business is doing very well. So he wants to kind of start generating customized barcodes for his business to be able to keep a stock record. And I know most of you are aware of how it works. You've been in supermarkets and you know how it works. Though I have created videos about point of sale here, and in this case you just generate barcodes where you store these numbers on a database, and you can use barcode reader to read the numbers when you take it to the cashier, and then that one is going to be removed from the stock list. So that's how it works. And I found it's a great topic, and also it's very important for me to share with you, because maybe not all of you are aware of how you can be able to come up with one. So without wasting time, let's jump in and start. But before that, I would like to ask you first of all to subscribe to this channel, because this is how you normally support this channel, by subscribing. Make sure you like our video and you share to as many people as you can. So let's go back, and step number one, what do you need to have? First of all, you need to get to the internet and you can download a barcode font. This is just a font like any other, so you can download a font, and in my case I clicked on this link. As you can see, 6 free fonts that you can use, and I found some of amazing fonts, as you can see here. So you just need to click the button to download, and once you download, it's going to display here. As you've seen, I've downloaded it. Then you extract. When you click on extract, what is going to happen? It's going to extract and give you something that looks like this one. So this is the font for barcode. Is it this one? Where is this one? Barcode font, as you can see. Now what you just need to do, the next step after downloading and extracting your font, you need to right click and cut or copy, whichever way. And where are you going to copy to? You are going to copy it on what we refer to as the control panel. And on control panel, make sure you are viewing these icons in form of this, or if you can't do that, make sure you select a small icon, not category like this one. So you can choose the small icons or maybe large icons, whichever way it will work for you. So font, it's the next folder that you need to open, the font folder. Then once you open the font folder, you just paste your what we refer to as your font here. So I've already done that. So the next step now is to go and start using your font. So here I have opened the MS Excel, and I would like to enlarge first of all the row heights to maybe something to do with 40, even something like that, 40. And the rows column width, I can make it to also maybe something like that. I think it's going to be large enough, so I can enlarge it a little bit like that. So here is where you normally write your number, and you can write any random number. But the good thing is you can come up with a format on how you enter these numbers. You can be able to generate an automatic number or text, like concatenating text, like it can be the order number plus the day, the month, something like that. Then each product you can have a code, like for example, if I'm talking of bread, I can say it's BR, maybe order is 04, something to do with 2021. Then I can say maybe something to do with any other number, something like that. So this will be my number, and once I do that, I just need to convert this one to code. You can generate an automatic one, then you can do the autofill, something like that. Then it's going to generate multiple barcodes for your business. So once you do that, let me undo and just be left with this one. The next thing is to click on the font area and choose barcode. Just need to write that way, and you can select it here. As you can see, so it's very, very small, you cannot be able to see it, but you can increase the size like that. As you can see, if I happen to zoom like that, you'll be able to see the font very well. And this one now, you can print them on a sticker, and once you print them on a sticker, you just be picking it, you stick it on your product. Maybe like for example, if you're running a wholesale like the guy of mine, you can stick the sticker once you do the kind of measurements to your units of measurements that you normally use. Maybe like it's 1 kg, this amount, and the price, something like that. So you can customize your barcodes in different ways, whichever way you want, and it's going to work. So the next thing, before you do that, this one you just need to upload them. I can take it back to any other font of my choice. Maybe let me reduce this one to something like that. So these numbers, you can just upload them in on a database of your point of sale, and they can be able to be detected whenever you take that product to the cashier. So that is it, guys, and I know you've learned something about barcodes. So feel free to give the video a thumbs up. You may remember, when you like our videos, that's how you support this channel. So give them you give our videos a thumbs up, and again, make sure you subscribe and share to the video to as many people as possible. And I know maybe you have learned something new if you didn't know about it. So there's something that you can be able to come up with, or either implement in any kind of business that you are working. So that is it. Thank you guys for supporting this channel, and for the guys who have subscribed and who are continuing viewing our videos, I do appreciate a lot. May God bless you and continue supporting this